C are called the physical map. Okay, now next we will come to the come down and we have to. There are large maps that can be hung on the wall. These maps are called wall maps. Today maps are also available on the internet. What the picture I have taken for the 7 continents I took from the internet, and that is why I showed you, so that you can be more aware of the 7 continents where they are, and you will be able to identify also. Okay, so did you know? After this, on page number 38, we have the did you know. What I told about this, that from the above, when we see, we take a picture, our earth looks bluish green. Okay, so when the earth is viewed from space, it looks bluish green. The land is visible in green, while water is visible in blue. Okay, so after this, okay, now we will come to the PV. Okay, practice book, and there my turn 1, and we have here the here is a map of Shaila's neighborhood. It also shows where Shaila is standing. Okay, now we can see that this is Shaila's school, City Bank, Park, Mount Road, then Akbar Road, post office is there, Anand Colony. This is a colony. Here market is there, tasty restaurant is there, and this one is the Shaila's house. Okay, this is Hill Road. So we have a map of Shaila's neighborhood, and Shaila is standing here. She has come out of her house and she is standing over here on the Hill Road. Okay, so here is a Shaila's school, City Bank, Park, Mount Road, post office, Anand Colony, then tasty restaurant, market, and Akbar Road. Okay, now we have to answer the following questions. टू विच साइड ऑफ शैला इज द बैंक बैंक शैला के किस तरफ पे बैंक है सिटी बैंक इज दिस साइड ना सो वी विल राइट लेफ्ट साइड ओके we will write left of Shaila. To which side of Shaila is the market? It is in the front. It is in the front, so we will say here front. Okay, in front of Shaila the market is there. On which road is Shaila's house located? On which road Shaila's house is located? So road name is Hill Road, so we will write over here Hill Road. Okay, now here, which is nearer from Shaila's house, her school or market? So school is too far na. You can see here that the school is here. First she will go here, she will take left turn, again left turn, and then right turn, then she will be reaching over here, and that is too far also on the Mount Road. But Hill Road पर ही आपका market है, so the market is near to Shaila's house. So we will put a tick mark over here. Okay, so after this we will come to the page number 12, my turn 2. Okay, here is a sketch of a school building. Look at it carefully and answer the following question. Okay, so here we will look first this one. Staff room is there, principal room is there, reception is there, washroom is there, and then we have the entrance. Okay, here is the entrance, then reception is there, then principal's room is there. If we are going from this side, left side the principal room is there, and right side washroom is there, and front the staff room is there. Reception and staff room is in the front. Okay, so now we will try to answer these questions. Can you locate the staff room from the entrance of the school? स्टाफ रूम से एंट्रेंस किस तरफ है? राइट द डायरेक्शन. ओके, okay, so we have which direction is in the front only. Okay, so we will write here staff room is in the front, that is just entrance से बिल्कुल सामने है, so in front of the entrance. Then we have next one question is, if a visitor standing at the entrance want to meet the principal, if a visitor is standing at the entrance want to meet the principal, which direction should he take? So now here a person is standing at the entrance and he needs to meet the principal. So he has to go to the principal room. So when he will go from here, he will go to the left, and always remember that your left is the left of the picture, your right is the right of the picture. Okay, so if your left is coming to the is coming over here, so the principal's room is in the left. Okay, so you will write that the visitor has to take the left turn to meet the principal. Okay, now if the staff room is in the north, then write, if the staff room is in the north, then write the direction of the principal's room, washroom and entrance. Write the answer in your notebook. Okay, now we will find out here the answer. Okay, so where is the staff room? The staff room is in the north. This is the north, so this is the south. Entrance is in the south, and reception is also in the south only. Principal room is in the west. Okay, and washroom is in the east. Okay, so if staff room is the north, south, west, east. Okay, so staff room is in the north. If the staff room is in the north, entrance is in the south, and principal's room is in the west, and the washroom is in the east. Okay, so this you have to do in your notebook. Okay, with this I am going to complete this session, and tomorrow we are going to do the India map. Okay, we will learn about the neighborhood, we'll learn about the oceans which are surrounding India from the three side. Okay, so stay home, stay safe, goodbye, and study well.